Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told in a certain quiz game, each player begins with P points and loses 3 points for every question answered incorrectly, and they cannot increase his or her score. So we're told a player who answers 15 questions incorrectly has a score of 165. We're asked which of the following is the value of P. So we start at P points, and then we lose 3 points for every incorrect question. So if you take P, and let's say you get 3 wrong, then you have to subtract 3 times 3 from your score. If you get 4 wrong, you'd have to subtract 3 times 4. And this is going to be equal to your total at the end of the game, your score. So you have P minus 3, and then we're told if we have 15 incorrect questions, then the final score is 165. So now we have an equation we can just solve for P. So if P minus 3 times 15 is minus 45 is equal to 165, plus 45 to both sides. These cancel. P is equal to 165 plus 45, which is 210. P is equal to 210. A is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.